Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best LED headlights on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the H4 9000 thirds, HB2, high, low, LED headlight bulbs all in one conversion kit. These 60-watt bulbs have a 50,000-hour lifespan. They are 6,400 lumens with a 650K cool white temperature. They work on most vehicles and feature plug-and-play installation. The beam is adjustable, and they come with an aviation aluminum radiator and cooling fan. There is a huge difference between these bulbs and stock halogen bulbs. They are brighter, the light output is really good, and they don't blind other drivers. They illuminate the road with a crystal clear light, and the fan keeps them cool even to the touch. They are a good quality bulb overall, especially considering the price. One drawback is you may need to modify the stock retaining clips to fit the bulbs in certain vehicles. There may also not be much difference between the high and low beams, and the bulbs may fail prematurely. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SEALIGHT 9006 HB4 LED headlight bulbs. These 40-watt bulbs feature plug-and-play installation. They have 3,000 lumens per bulb and a 6,000K xenon white color temperature. They are 150% brighter than stock halogen bulbs, so you can see much further down the road. The light is also focused, so it doesn't blind other drivers. The bulbs have a fanless design, so they're silent, unlike some competitor brands. The advanced heatsink increases performance, and they last more than 50,000 hours. They're easy to install, and the light is even and consistent. Overall, the bulbs are bright and make driving at night easy. However, there have been some complaints that the bulbs aren't as bright as they could be. One or both may burn out after a short period of time, and they don't fit on all vehicles. SEALIGHT 9006 LED headlight bulbs combo kit have better visibility, high beam have brighter output, low beam have better beam pattern. Replace your yellow or dim stock bulb. Warm tip: we are upgrading our packaging and you may receive one of 2 boxes randomly. Although brighter than standard halogen bulbs, the light is focused down road so oncoming traffic will not be blinded, and there are no dark spots or shadow areas. At number 3, we have the Fahren 9005 HB3 H10 LED headlight bulbs. These bulbs are 300% brighter than halogens. They are 60 watts and 5,000 lumens each with a 650K cool white temperature. They have a super focused beam pattern, an aviation aluminum body, a cooling fan, and a lifespan of 50,000 hours. They feature plug-and-play installation and fit into the housing and factory sockets without requiring modification. They look amazing, are super bright, and are compatible with 98% of vehicle computer systems. They are also compact, easy to install, and inexpensive. The bulb is also adjustable, so you get the correct beam angle within your distinct housing. Unfortunately, some modern Jeep, Dodge, Volvo, and European vehicles may require additional decoders during installation. It can also be a hassle to get the LED at the correct 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock angles. They may also flicker. Top automotive-grade LED chips with 60W, 10,000 LM per pair, 650K cool white. Super focused beam pattern design provides wider and farther lighting range, which is 3 times brighter than your original halogen bulb. At number 2, we have the AUXITO H4 9003 LED headlight bulb. These LED headlight fog bulbs are compatible with 95% of vehicles. They feature a quiet, fanless design and an aviation aluminum body, which dissipates heat faster and provides a 30,000-hour lifespan. They are 40 watts, have a 650K color temperature, and are 4,500 lumens each. The bulbs are easy to fit into the housing and don't blind or cause any glare to other drivers. The bulbs have an A side and a B side, so you can ensure that you have the correct sides pointing in the right direction. You can also adjust the beam pattern by rotating them because they have several clickable positions. Unfortunately, while they're compatible with most vehicles, they don't fit all makes and models. The light pattern may be a little irregular, and they may cause radio feedback. All-in-one fanless LED headlight bulb kit, plug-and-play installation for H4, 9003, HB2 socket. Mini body design, compatible with over 95% vehicles without modification. Each bulb has 16 pieces of the high-quality CSP LED chips. 360 degrees lighting and super-focused beam. 4,500 lumens per bulb. Producing 9,000 total lumens extremely bright output. See farther and wider. Adjustable beam pattern for 9003 H4 headlights. Easily fit into the housing and aim the luminous direction. Provides a perfect light beam pattern. Do not blind oncoming traffic, no glare to other drivers. Fanless design, no fan noise and fan failure. Aviation-grade aluminum housing, multi-groove aluminum base form a effective and rapid heat sink system. Built-in IC current driver, ensures more than 30,000 hours lifespan. And finally at number 1, we have the SNGL Super Bright LED Headlight Bulbs Conversion Kit. These lights are intended to replace the best 9006 LED bulbs for your low beams, high beams, and fog lights. The 55-watt bulbs are rain-resistant, emit 6000 K bright white light, and are 260% brighter than halogen bulbs. They feature adjustable beam technology and can be used in both projectors and reflector beams. The lights use fans for cooling and last over 50,000 hours. The company offers a 2-year warranty and lifetime support. The lights are very sturdy, solid, and easy to install. Also, the ballasts are substantial. The ability to adjust the light output pattern is one of their greatest features, and the front and side outputs are wide and focused. They have a bright, crisp white hue with no hint of blue and don't blind oncoming drivers. The LED stem length is the same length as the OEM bulb, which helps improve the beam output. One downside is that you can hear a hum from the light's cooling fans, but you don't hear it when you're driving. The fan is also bulky and large, which may cause issues during installation. They can also develop an intermittent flicker a short time after installation. The brightest LED headlight bulbs available. Pumping out crystal clear 6000 K bright white focused light pattern at ~4.0A at 13.2 volts, 55W brightness output per bulb. 2 to 3 times brighter than other brand LEDs or halogen bulbs. Instant on no warm-up time, up to plus 260% brighter light on the road, without the glare. See farther, see wider, see better, safer night driving. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.